Joining boards by hand should not be very complicated. Here's the trick. So one thing, you can make edges really square and everything would work. But how to make them not necessarily square, but to make everything work? You prepare your boards approximately, fold them the way they're supposed to be, and put them in a vise. Depending on how your vise is set up, it may work perfectly already. In my case, there's a little bit of gap, so I would just clamp on this side. Very good. And now I need to plane, and I would not care about the angle. The only thing I would care that I plane them straight. And it's good to have a big plane, so you have, with one pass, you do everything. Okay, I don't even want to know the squareness. The only thing I know, it's very smooth and it's very straight. So I'm done with this one. Now these guys can go to the blue area, and that will be perfect here. It will be perfect angle as soon as I figure it out. Now the other two are much better, but I still make them. Good. Now I'm done with the straightening, with matching angles, and the only thing left is to go up. Just want to make sure I don't mess up the boards together. Protect your clamps. Okay, again, this one, then this one. Well, if you're really careful in looking at the boards, you can actually see that I messed up the order of them, which resulted in messed up glue up. So effectively what I end up doing, redoing all the stuff, because with this approach you have to be really careful in which board you joint in with which board, because the angle is not 90 degrees, and if you're trying to glue different boards, not the ones that you join together, then something will go south. So be very careful, and actually a better suggestion to do some kind of a marking so you know which board in which order. Okay, now it's acceptable, and gluing up again. As straight as it can be, and for the fun of it, just because I have these clamps. But in case glue squeeze out is everywhere, I need to check the other side. Other side is good, perfect. Okay, given the problems, I'll give you B-. I need more practice. So here it is, a small tip, even though it's still more complicated than it's supposed to be, but it's working, and I'm happy about that. Try it, let me know if it's working for you, and let me know if I did something wrong. Maybe my plane is not wide enough or not sharp enough, I have no idea, but something was wrong, so I had to redo it once. The most important part for this glue up, mark the boards, like in some way, so you don't mess it up, because I think I messed up, like reordered or like rearranged some boards, so I have no idea what I did. So be very careful about it. See you next time.